Day of school for thousands of students in our viewing area, but health leaders already encouraging families to begin thinking about next school year, in particular about getting their child's immunizations up to date. That's so schools can begin preparing for the next big challenge. Henry Graff now in Richmond to explain.
That challenge comes when the COVID-19 vaccine is approved for a younger group of children. But in the meantime, it's not the COVID-19 vaccine that has caught the attention of public health care workers.
Areas of low vaccination, we have seen a surge, unfortunately, of a resurgence of sorts, for instance, measles and mumps.
A host of childhood shots are required to attend public schools in Virginia. In the fall of 2019, about 96% of public school kids had adequate vaccines. In the fall of 2020, the rate dropped to about 88%.
There's been a lot of factors that have affected children's access to healthcare in the last year. Of course, the pandemic and schools being virtual.
The concern is prompting the Richmond and Henrico health districts to offer up those traditional vaccines to children at 3 sites every week, where they can also get a COVID-19 vaccine if they are 12 and up.
Parents should definitely be, especially parents of rising kindergartners and 7th graders, you should definitely check in with their school or school nurse and a pediatrician to see if their child is up to date on vaccines for school entry.
Once a COVID-19 vaccine is approved for those under the age of 12, the health district says parents will be able to get a vaccine for their child through a pharmacy, their own doctor, and at a school.
Partnering with our schools to figure out what options work best for them. So the same need to have parental consent will exist, and the same need to have an adult with that child when they get vaccinated, and the same need for education so that our children feel like they understand what's happening and what a vaccine would be used for.
Doctors and pharmacies are ordering fewer childhood vaccines at this point in time due to that drop. Commercially, it is down 14%. They hope that changes as we all get back to our routine lives. On your side in Northside Richmond, I'm Henry Graff, NBC 12 News.